Hello, everybody. I am a professor, speaker, researcher, many positions here. And now I am an expert in robotics, and this is why you are here in the laboratory of robotics, Tallinn University of Technology, Department of Electrical Power Engineering and Mechatronics. Now we tell about robotics. Another course, the same in this laboratory, is advanced robotics. This is an unusual course. This is the method which we use, active learning method, and this method is very important for students because this course includes many parts. Part of them are mandatory, another part is optional, and many options. This is why this course is blended learning, not only active but blended as well. What does it mean? Students visit our lectures via internet, EuroTeQ students, and they may follow our timetable, or another way, they may watch our recordings of lecture, they may watch our presentation slides, they may read our textbooks and special manuals. This is the first part of the course. After that, they follow our quizzes. Each lecture is accompanied with a specific quiz, and EuroTeQ students need to answer questions. Each week, new quiz, new lecture, and 15 weeks during the semester, 15 lectures and 15 quizzes. After that, they collect bonuses. Each answer may be correct or incorrect. In the case of correct answer, they get positive bonus. In the case of incorrect answer, negative bonus. So they collect these bonuses during the first full semester, and after that they know their grade as a sum of these bonuses. There exist some mandatory parts, for example, exercises. Again, students may follow our exercises in computer class. They are conducted in MATLAB, Simulink, and some other specific toolboxes, mainly MATLAB for bachelor students. If they cannot participate directly, they may read our recordings again, or they may study this part of the course themselves without my help or with my consultations. Next part is very interesting part, laboratories. All students are invited here to Tallinn, and they participate in laboratory works in the first or second week of December, before Christmas. And after that, they enjoy Tallinn, they enjoy our laboratory and our collective, our teachers, our specific method of teaching. And after that, they have mandatory exercises, mandatory labs, the summer quizzes, and this is the minimum which they may grade. But there exists maximum. There exist many options. For example, the number of mandatory exercises is only 3, but the student may provide 4, 5, as they want. And for that, they get additional bonuses. Mandatory labs only 3. But they may conduct 4, 5 during this week, and additional bonuses, so they may boost their grade up to 3, 4, 5 as they want. Another interesting option is presentation. Every student may make presentations here directly in our university when they come to laboratory works. And after that, they become a participant of international IEEE community. And as a participant, and their presentations, visual presentations, will be published internationally. So many options. This is the specific of our course. Experience from EuroTeQ is very important for students. They have experience and skill in communication, in meeting with students from another countries. Now, up to now, we have guests here from Germany, from Czech Republic, from Israel, from Holland. So many different students come together in December and meet here in this laboratory. It's very important style. Traditionally, it is course for bachelor students, mechanics, electrics, maybe information technologies. Different students come here. It is not so easy because every student who decided to participate in EuroTeQ put additional workload, additional burden to their shoulders. This is why every student must decide himself or herself, is it suitable for him, because the drop-off is very high, and the main reason for drop-off is no time. Students write me, I have no enough time, and this is why they drop off. So the student must decide, is it possible for them to have additional workload? But if they decide to do it, it's very nice. They obtain the required experience in communication, in traveling. They enjoy Tallinn, they enjoy Estonia, they enjoy additional work, and this is why they become more strong specialists. I'm waiting you in Tallinn. You're welcome.